Okay, physics students, I just want to run down what I would like you to do while the sub is here with you and I'm absent, and I will clarify things or help you tomorrow on Friday. Your objective is simple. You're going to continue what you started to test your collision safety design and report on its effectiveness. First thing I want you to do is watch this video. You're doing it right now. Congratulations. And number two is work on the impulse momentum unit mastery assignment. So I have the document here, rather plain looking. I'm going to go over it real fast, and this is what you want to start putting together while I'm out. The objective is to design, build, and test and evaluate a device that will minimize force of impact during a collision. Level one, you started making this. I want to see some pictures on it, and we want to kind of do it in a professional sense. So level one is a photograph of your design imported into a Google drawing. The Google drawing has annotations labeling parts and their purpose. So it's going to probably be plural annotations there. Labeling parts and purpose. Level two is a writing about it. This is going to be an important one. This is a paragraph about how your design works in accordance with the impulse momentum theorem. How do the changes in momentum differ between an unprotected cart and a cart using your safety design? How do the impulses differ between the two above scenarios? Take your time here. A clear indication of the physics is needed to progress past this point. So don't rush this out, right? What's the difference between the changes in momentum? Is there a difference? How are the impulses different? I want to know specifically from that. Level three is a conclusion. In this section, you're going to present graphical data from your testing that illustrates the difference between unprotected collisions and protected collisions. A written paragraph referencing your data is required. So you're essentially going to say, yes, my design worked. It worked this well. It improved this much, and the data is how I know it. So this graphical data will probably take the form of maybe that force peak when the force meter makes the first impact with whatever it's colliding with. Level 4 is not here, right? We've seen level 4 is going to be individual. You have to be able to get to level 4 on here in order to get to a 4 for the unit. That's going to be an individual understanding, and it's going to be assessed later. I'm going to have it ready to roll Friday. So those of you that are ready to go, we'll do it on Friday. If not, you might have a little bit of homework finishing that project up and getting ready to go on Monday, which will be the last day. All the materials are in the classroom. You know where they are. The building them stuff is on the workbench. You know where the vernier stuff is and the electronics. Please give yourself some time to clean up and be respectful to the sub, and I will see you later. Bye.